RMIT is one of Australia's largest universities with approximately 80,000 students and close to nearly 12,000 staff members. We have 3 large campuses here in Melbourne, in the CBD, Brunswick and Bundoora. We have a large RMIT presence in Vietnam and our presence is growing in the Asian region, especially in areas like Singapore, China, Indonesia and also a campus in Barcelona. As a university, RMIT is really focused on delivering an exceptional student experience. Part of that is delivering a remarkable learning and teaching experience to our students.
It's a university of technology, and technology is at the forefront of all their thinking. This has led to the implementation of the Symphony platform, embracing new technology and ways to further enhance the student experience.
Symphony is an end-user experience management application that really focuses on helping our customers get better use and visibility into their technology estates. Symphony represents AVI-SPL's shift from reactive service solutions to proactive service solutions. So as customers' reliance on technology increases, the availability of the technology is really important for our users. So Symphony is able to go in, identify where potential points of issues are, and resolve those for users prior to them becoming user impacted.
Before Symphony, we had 2 choices: wait for people to complain and raise an issue, or physically check over 4,000 devices to ensure that everything was working. This was a problem because classes were disrupted and time was wasted in the delivery of education.
Since Symphony's implementation, RMIT's audio-visual services have been able to become more efficient and increase the student and staff experience. It's something that I wish we had a number of years ago. One example of how Symphony has helped us since its implementation is we had an unexpected power outage over the weekend in the CBD. Normally this would mean a whole building offline and the AV systems affected. Since Symphony's implementation, we've been able to actively understand which meeting rooms and learning and teaching spaces were offline, target those meeting spaces and resolve all issues before student classes commenced.
Symphony is quite an exciting proposition for us. For the first time in RMIT's history, we've been able to see all devices at RMIT online and actually be able to track when they're online, when they're offline, be able to see issues before the customer even experiences them. Particularly if a customer calls up and says they're having an issue in the room, we can log in right away and tell them exactly what they're having issues with, and in most cases actually resolve it remotely as well. The team at AVI-SPL have been really helpful in the implementation of Symphony at RMIT, and anything that we've asked for or needed help with, they've been there every step of the way. My team and I have seen great benefits for Symphony so far and are excited to see where it will take us next.